Now till here we have gone through all the components of the two-wheeler charging system or battery charging system. Now the last two components that we have seen, that is regulator and the rectifier. Okay, so regulator and rectifier in actual case or in physically look like as shown in figure. So this is a unit called as a regulator rectifier unit, or it is called as a RR unit. Okay, so the RR unit actually look like as shown in slide. It having a component like cooling fins, because there is a huge quantity or a huge magnitude of current supposed to pass through your rectifier and the regulator circuit. So there is a chances of overheating take place. So as heating take place, there is the chances of damage increases. So in order to prevent their damage, we have to dissipate that heat to atmosphere. For that purpose we are using a cooling fins. Some rectifier or regulator unit may also use liquid cooling also, but in case of the automobile two-wheeler we are using cooling fin. In case of the four-wheeler, there was also used air cooled method only, but they are having the forced convection. This is a natural convection. Through natural convection we supposed to making a cooling of RR unit, but in case of the alternator of your four-wheeler we are using a fan in order to employ a forced convection method for the cooling purpose. Here the three wires are coming into the RR unit, this three yellow wire, this indicating a three-phase AC generator input. So whatever the AC generator develops the current at that's supposed to be entered through this wire into your RR unit, it get rectified. So these three phase input are supposed to rectified into single phase DC input. Okay, and that single phase DC input supposed to regulate it after the rectification and send it to accessories and battery charging system through this wire. So green and red wire indicating one wire going to the lightning system, another wire lightning system, or we can say other engine load like horn, headlight, or those, and red wire going to your battery terminal, and the black wire is nothing but the earth. So these three wire coming out through your RR unit. Three wire for the three phase AC input, and these three wire, out of these three, black one is for the earth, green one is for your other accessories like light, headlight, your horn, your other light, that is dashboard indicators, and other load you supposed to add on your electrical system, and this red one going to your battery charging system. Okay, so in this fashion RR unit look like in actual or physically it looks in as shown in slide. Now you'll